Styles back again with another video. It's been a while since I dropped a video. I've been caught up with life and all of its challenges. However, I'm still trading. In fact, currently I'm in a trade, an EU trade, and I just entered. So I wonder if it's going to hit take profit or if it's going to be a stop loss. We'll be watching, I guess, and I'll be sharing this trade with you all. So just stick to the end of this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And for those of you who has been here for a little while, thank you very much for sticking around. I remain very grateful. And all right, so let's get on with the video. Let me just do a little bit of trade breakdown and let's see how this Friday is going to play out. This is the trade I'm currently on. It is EU, and this is the 15-minute time frame. I saw this rundown, a market structure shift, leaving this supply zone or other block. If you go to the 1 hour, it's another block. You can see it right there. So yeah, this one I'm looking at, and I expect price to tap into this zone and drop and take out this pool of liquidity. You can see these equal lows gathered here. Then I expect price to run this, take this out, right? So that's why I'm selling from that zone right there. Yeah, so currently I'm in the trade and I just entered, so I'll keep you updated. And while this trade is running, I'll be talking. So let's go. This is something very important and critical that I'm going to be discussing today. It is about the whole concept of being consistent and how you can go from being a consistently profitable trader to a very unprofitable trader. Why am I talking about this? Because I just went through it. This couple of weeks, these past weeks, that was what I was going through. And trust me, it's not a funny experience when you know that you can trade and you have paid your dues, you have been in this business for a long time and you know what to do, yet you just keep flopping, right? So recently I got in touch with a friend who trades gold, and if you are an OG on this channel, you know I hate gold with my soul. However, he we took some trades together and it was good trades, and they were good trades, good gold trades. So that made me see that okay, gold can give me 100 pips in 30 minutes, in an hour. So why not trade gold? So I started trying to delve back into gold that I started with as a beginner, and it almost ruined my life, right? So I decided to just go back into the grind, start trading gold once again. And guess what? I got my ass handed out to me. I got flogged and kicked out of the market. It was a very terrible experience for me. Terrible couple of days, terrible couple of weeks. And what's worse about this was that I kept trying to recover. I kept trying to revenge trade, trying to get my money back from gold. And gold kept kicking me in the nuts, kicking me in the nuts. And there are people I know who are constantly profitable trading gold, right? Making money from gold, and it's their pair, but it's not my pair. And me trying to trade it, what was the major problem? And that was what was ruining my profitability. And I paid the price heavily for it. I lost a lot of money to gold, and currently I'm just trying to rebuild myself, trying to bounce back, come out from the slums. And it's not been easy, right? It's almost like I'm struggling once again. I've come this far and I'm starting over again. So it's a very crazy thing. So word of advice for you all listening, right? Whatever it is that made you profitable, that makes you see a little bit of headway in this space, this forest business, whatever it is that you are doing, that you kept doing, that you started seeing positive results, that made you start believing in the grind, right? Don't stop doing it. Don't try to modify it. Don't try to add anything extra to it. Just do it. Just do it. Don't let anybody talk about this. There's this new pair, GBBJPY. It's fast, it runs, it does this, it does that. Gold, it runs. If it's EU, you're trading, trade your EU. If it's AU, you're trading, trade AU. If it's GBP USD that you are used to, stick to it. Stick to that one pair and master it, and you will be successful, okay? So I don't want you to go backwards the way I did. So that's why I'm just laying this out here for you to, and possibly take a lesson out from my experiences and not repeat my mistakes. Okay, so that's all. That's it for my discussion. Right now, we're going to dive back into the charts and we're going to wait. Price is still studying around my entry, and this is the New York session, right? We're already in the New York session. So hopefully, it's a good day today. Hopefully, I tell a nice story, an interesting story, and this video all ends with flowers and bunnies. But if you hit stop loss, it hits stop loss. It's not the first time, and it's normal, right? Okay, so let's get on with the video. Styles. Okay, that's I'm supposed to do that when it's the end of the video. All right, let's get on with the video, guys. Okay, so yeah, this was the trade I showed you a couple minutes ago, and you can see that after price tapped this zone, it sank down absolutely, and this was my target, my final target, but price didn't get to this place. So I think I closed the trade around here for 2.9 arrow, I think 3 arrow safe. But overall, it was a beautiful trade idea, and it was very nice, properly delivered. What did I say before taking this trade, right? Uh, I saw price took out liquidity from this highs here. This is buy side liquidity, right? And price sank down, breaking straight to the downside, leaving behind a supply zone and other block, a whatever it is you want to call it, right? Then along the line, price started playing about in these places, right? Playing about here. You can see creating liquidity, this build up of buy side and sell side liquidity. Below these lows is sell side liquidity. Then above this high is buy side liquidity, or this is also called an inducement, right? So this is an inducement to trick early sellers into the market, right? So you might think that there are people that would think that this was a BSL. There are people that would think that okay, price has come back to this zone here and it's reacting from here. Then you can see that price action actually you can even make money from itself, right? You saw this run up, this run down, etc., etc. But price came back, took out this people that were buying here who had their stop losses above here, people that bought here, bought here, bought here, bought here, they had their stop losses above this swing high. Price ripped them off, took them all out, tapped into this extreme demand zone, and it's sinking right now. And I expect price to take out those who are down here because the people that have been profitable from all these moves, right? Support and resistance traders, first bounce, second bounce. This is strong resistance zone in their eye, and they want to their stop losses are below this zone, lots of others. So price is going to come and take out this zone before continuing the overall trend, right? Currently, the overall trend is we are currently in a range, so price might won't take out this low, possibly tap into this zone, then continue the uh, overall bullish trend. You can see that we are bullish. We are taking out higher highs and higher lows. So that's it. Anyways, so that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching until the end. If you resonate with this content, if you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment as well. Share to your friends so that they can watch the kind of content that helps the algorithm and helps to grow the channel. I hope the channel grows substantially before the end of the year, possibly before the end of next year. But it starts with you. So thank you very much for watching to the end. Until we see you again, Styles out.